Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. I'm filming this on Christmas Eve, so I will be posting this on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to you if you celebrate Christmas. If not, well, you can still celebrate with us here on my channel. I'm going to show you a little fun cookie recipe I make. I'm not like, you know, the jack of all trades when it comes to cooking, but like I have like my go-to items and this is one of them. This is a cookie recipe that I actually make with red velvet cake mix. So all you're gonna need is the red velvet cake mix, some olive oil or vegetable oil of your choice, water, eggs, and I like to use white chocolate chips. I've never actually done it this way before, so we're experimenting, and yeah, it should be super fun. I'm gonna put them on this plate and it's gonna be like super cute. So let's just get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow the directions exactly like how it says on here. But at the end, I'm just gonna put them in little balls and put them on a cookie sheet. The thing I always like to do is wash my hands. Just to basically mix everything together right away. I just literally love baking and cooking around the holidays. I think it's just like so fun because I don't literally bake. I told you guys, I do not bake at all. Any other time of year, but around the holidays, bitch, watch out. Oh my God, this is so watery. Oh no. It's okay, I know what we're gonna do. I hope these turn out okay. So I think what I was supposed to do is reduce the amount of water. In hindsight, yeah. Ooh, I got an idea, bitches. Guess what? I got 2 boxes. I got 2 boxes, bitch. Yeah, because this is literally so watery and soupy. Like, look at it. Guys, it's me editing this video, cringing at, I had a second box. I could have actually just completely started over. Instead of starting over, I add, first of all, I think I'm a genius because I have 2 boxes, and then I add the second box into the bad mixture. Can't. Can you see that shit? It's literally so soupy that there's no way I can make a fucking cookie out of that. I'm not a magician. So I'm just gonna stir in this additional batter. Watch these turn out fucking horribly. I don't think so. I think, you know, I've never been that type of chef or baker or whatever you want to call it that like follows the instructions. I can't. This is too much. This is too much. Okay, girl. You've never been the type to follow the instructions. That's why you made a cookie that was a blob of cake. Okay. And my shit always turns out on point, so. Honestly, normally it does turn out on point, but like this was an exception. This was one of the worst things I've ever made. One time I accidentally made brownies and I swapped the quantities of like water and oil. So I put like 4 times as much oil as I was supposed to. And the brownies were like on fire in the oven. They were like frying. So, I mean, other than that, I haven't really fucked anything else up to this degree. I might add more oil. Let's see, I don't think I need more anything, bitch. This is very watery, so. That's what it looks like. I mixed in white chocolate chips, and this is pretty much what the batter looks like. We'll see how that goes. I feel like for cookies, it should be maybe a little thicker. So I've actually prepared 2 cookie sheets because I feel like there's gonna be like a lot of cookies. This batter is gonna produce like a lot of cookies, I feel like. I'm just gonna use like a spoon like this and spoon them out. Let's see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you right now, I completely fucking fucked them up. Yes, I did. I completely fucked them up. What I should have done is start over. Okay, so what we have cooking in the oven here is basically a cake on a cookie sheet. So it's kind of like a cookie cake. That's what it is. It's like a cookie cake, only it's just a blob. Basically a blob on a cookie sheet. I'll show you guys. Yeah, okay, yeah. So, moral of the story is I got too cocky, too fast, and is this really zoomed in? Whoa. And I thought my cookies were gonna be bomb, and they are, they're really weird. But maybe they'll still be good. They're just like not gonna be great with the presentation. I guess I can cook them like squares. So this is what it looks like. Check out that beauty. This cookie cake. That's what I meant to do this whole time. Hey guys, it is confirmed that these are the worst cookies I have ever baked. This is like, these are not cookies. This is like, let me just show you again, this beauty. I had to start drinking. The issue is they don't even taste good. So this is what it looks like. And this is because I didn't look up the proper recipe. When you turn cakes into cookies, you have to adjust some of the quantities of water and oil. And I just didn't even bother to look at that. So I guess, you know what I was bragging about at the beginning of this, how I said I don't need to read directions and I'm just like a badass baking gangster. Like, it's not true. And this is God humoring me right now. I just wish they kind of tasted good. Joke's on me. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video despite this little mishap. Now you know. I will link the instructions below how to actually make these cookies. Now you know how not to make them, and you can make them correctly and send me photos, because this was very unfortunate. So I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.